best AI applications out there today, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and you can pretty much ask AI any question. And you have quite a lot of AI bots which you can use, even the popular AI bots which you can use like OpenAI, Gemini, and you have Gemini Pro, you have DeepSeek, a lot of them guys. So all you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use, or if you just want to use this application itself, you just stop on where it says Ask AI. We'll just select a random bot for you to use, and here you can pretty much ask the AI anything. And if I do tap on example here, you'll be able to get some example. If you don't have anything in mind, you can pretty much use this example to ask the AI anything. So as well, down here you have the voice note option where you can send voice notes, and down here you may see a globe icon which is pretty much the web search. So if you want AI to search on the web for you, you can enable that feature here. And also you have the create image option where you can create image within this section here. So if I go back in the Google Gemini 3 Pro option, I'll be able to go ahead and create image as well by just tapping on the option behind the side of the globe icon. So that's pretty much it for that. And the plus icon here as well, you'll be able to upload images, also files, videos, and even make an audio. And not to mention, you can take a picture right away. So very, very easy application to use, and it's smooth, and everything is smooth. So in the inbox section, this is pretty much where you will see all your chats from all the AI bots, whether it be the OpenAI, whether it be the next AI application here, which is Gemini, any one of the AI chatbot that you have pretty much talk with will show up in that section here. You also have a dedicated section for image generation, and you can see there. So let's say, for example, I'm going to start with this one here, and I'm going to speak with the AI, nothing much. You can see here, I do get a reply, and if I even do not like the answer that the AI have given me, I can tap on regenerate, and it will give me a different answer. So this applies to pretty much everything as it relates to AI giving the answer. You can always go ahead and copy the reply by just tapping the copy option there. So that's really pretty much it. And as I said before, if you do go in the inbox section, you can always check on the chats from all of these AIs will be in the inbox section here. And if it's your favorite chat and you don't want to lose it, then I do recommend you start the chat. So once you start the chat, it will be in the start section, so it's pretty much separate from all the other chats. So as it relates to the other bots, as you can see here, let's say you have specific needs as it relates to lawyer advice, you can find it in the AI bot section here. If I tap on all the popular bots, you can see all option. I'll be able to see all of the bots that they have available for this application here. You have the doctor bot, you have the personal trainer bot, and as you can see there. So you can scroll down and see other bots as well, which I can use. So that's really pretty much it. And if I tap on the profile icon at the top here, I do recommend signing in so you can save pretty much your information when you're using the application so you don't lose it. So you can change the voice of the AI. So let's say you have asked the AI something, and usually the AI will speak, giving you the reply. So if I tap on the voice option here, you can pretty much adjust how fast the AI speaks. Sometimes it goes really fast. I don't know why. To me, it just goes really fast. But you can even slow the speech of the AI, so you can pretty much get a better understanding of what the AI is saying to you. So that's pretty much it for that there, and very, very easy application to use, as I said before. And common problem with this application, if you don't have any credits, you're gonna need credits to pretty much use the AI bot. So here where it says free credit, you can tap on this option here. If you can't find the subscription page, all you have to do is just tap on the profile looking icon at the top there, then tap on the free credits, and you'll be able to tap on the upgrade option where it will take you to the subscription page. So here you can pretty much purchase your subscription as it relates to this application. You do get a 3 days free trial. You can trial your pro subscription as it relates to this application here, and you can also disable the free trial option and you can see all the subscription prices. So you have a one-time payment option and you have your subscription as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just comment below and I'll see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.